How to assemble a human touch Circa Zero Gravity Recliner. To get started, make sure you have all of these parts, then position the chair with the underside facing upward. Slide the small end of the connecting shaft into the receptacle on the bottom of the chair, with the arrow facing up. Next, slide the chair base onto the connecting shaft, aligning the arrows. Now, tip the chair to the upright position. Connect the power cord and the power adapter extension cord to the power adapter. Plug the power adapter extension cord into the chair's power cable, then flip the cable lock closed. Finally, plug in the chair, and you're done.